This is the brief unconfiguring email aliases. This protocol is literally your ultimate hassle-free playbook for getting one running, which is really just a handy forwarding address that automatically routes messages straight to a primary inbox. First, you're going to want to grab the current username and team up with your sysadmin to generate a few alias options, right? Then just have the user lock in their desired choice so you can communicate that back to the sysadmin. Second, we've got the sync wait. Now, once the selection is made, you actually have to wait exactly 2 hours. Why the pause? Well, it's just to give the system enough time to fully synchronize everything behind the scenes before you move forward. Finally, it's time for the test drive. You absolutely must test the updated alias with the user by both sending and receiving an email just to verify that the whole shebang is working perfectly. So to sum it all up, gather that info and coordinate with your sysadmin, wait out that 2-hour sync, and run a quick test. It really is that easy to seamlessly streamline your inbox when you follow the right steps.